What's up, guys? Cannabis Grow Guide, episode 3 here. And this time I want to show you guys how to actually top a plant. And this one's already topped once. Um, Actually, twice I topped the branches too. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna top these two tops here. So I'll have 4. You can already see there's some growth coming out. There's 2 little branches coming out of each one, so those will be the new tops. I'll show you guys exactly where you want to cut. Alright, so want to get yourself a pair of scissors or fiskers or whatever they're called. And hold on, let me make sure I've got the angle right. I want to make sure you guys can see this whole thing. Alright, so you go right here. Right here. See, right there is where you want to cut, right in the middle where the scissors are. And these 2 little parts right here. And on the other side over there, those are going to be the new tops, just like how these 2 are tops. I already did that down there, and that's what these are. So watch this, and then in a few days I'll show you guys the update, and you'll see how big they get. You don't want to cut too low because you don't want to chop the new ones. But there we go. That's exactly how much you want to cut off. Let's do it to the other one. Not too low. Make sure you don't damage the new growth. And there you go, guys. That is how you top your plant. Now all those tops there are gonna grow and be pretty much these, except there'll be 4 of them now. So now I'm gonna have 4 tops. I might even top those, make 8, and then stop there. But yeah, guys, check back in a couple days and you'll see the progress. Peace out.